Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up noise cancellation function with voice recognition on these Samsung Galaxy Buds2 Pro earbuds. Subscribe so you don't miss new useful videos. So, first of all, you need to make sure that your earbuds are connected to the phone and that the Galaxy wearable app is downloaded. Now go into this app and find Noise Controls function. You can choose Active Noise Cancelling, but first you need to put in your earbuds, as I'm gonna do now. And now you can easily switch to Active Noise Cancelling. So, look for the Voice Detect function, turn it on, then tap on it. And this mode allows your Galaxy Buds2 Pro to automatically switch to ambient sound mode when they detect your voice. Also, you can set time during which your conversation will end when your voice is not detected, like this. And now you can test this function. Just put in earbuds, say something, and check whether they switch modes or not when your voice is detected. So that's all. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.